Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set up dark mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to display, then go to dark mode here. Already it is set to light mode. If you want to apply instant dark mode, just click here and instantly dark mode will be applied. Okay, if you move to the light mode, yes, it is changed from dark mode is turned off and it is changed to light mode. If you want to customize dark mode, click on dark mode settings and here you can turn on as scheduled. Okay, you can schedule your dark mode here. Just turn on this button and you can schedule from sunset to sunrise automatically. It will your phone will detect the timing and from sunset to sunrise dark mode will be applied. Okay, otherwise you can set custom schedule. Click on custom schedule and click on set schedule and you can set your start time here. This is start time. I here set start time 6 p.m. From 6 p.m. Dark mode will be starting, and for end time click on end here and then next day 6:10 a.m. 6:10 a.m. I would like to turn off automatically this dark mode and click on done, and from this scheduled timing dark mode will be automatically applied, and then after that, after this timing dark mode will turn off and it will come to the light mode. Okay, so in this way also you can set custom schedule for dark mode. Okay, if you don't want custom schedule, turn off this button, and if you really want to apply dark mode immediately, click on dark mode here. At any time you can turn on dark mode using this button. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.